Alright guys, it's currently August 15th, 2024. We are under a slight risk. I'm gonna get Aimbot fired up on my PC. I set all my radios to any. I think I got this to any. I set it for 999.
Correction, I set to 999999. So yeah.
So, should be. And my new version 3, I'm obsessed with it! With the purple backlight. It's not actually purple, but it looks purple. It's a dark blue. Yeah. So now I'm gonna finally set up Aimbot. There's a special weather statement. I did not hear Aimbot go off.
Southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
I did not hear Aimbot go off.
moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicating threat. The following impacts are
Why did my
hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I don't know why my
Wind damage to roofs
7400 didn't activate.
and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Calumet, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National
Alright, so that wasn't an SVR, but I just checked. Train spotter reports thunderstorm wind damage at 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Down trees and power lines. Aimbot keeps not going off.
Until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight
Well,
Time.
it went off late.
At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of
Why
El
is
Reno,
7400
moving east
not
at 10
going
miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Right.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are
I think
expected.
it's 74
Hail damage to
102 is
vehicles
actually
is
good.
expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Union City, Calumet, and Concho. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Golf ball size hail. Here's a special weather statement. SVA.
Southwestern Oklahoma City, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Tuttle, Minko, Braves Creek, and Will Rogers Airport. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.
Here it goes. SVA. SVA. I have a very noisy hobby.
This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Keene, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
my friend's
including
radio probably
large
just
hail
went.
and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
A complaint I have about my 74-200 is the backlight on it's like, this one's dead. It just went off. And it's frozen, so I don't know what it's gone off for so much. First of all, look at how big that SVA is. Goes through Oklahoma, through Missouri, through Indiana, right? Illinois. I always get Indiana and Illinois messed up. Imagine like an EAN just for an SVA. Like, this is a national emergency. Please stand by. It may rain later. Take shelter now. My bot didn't go off.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight
Why
Time.
did bot not activate?
At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nico, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tuttle, Minko, Amber, Braves Creek, and Pecasig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorm.
Alright, so this was on Thursday, but this is Talk Now from Saturday Talking. My MD319 is going to arrive later, but also apparently there was a lot of severe thunderstorms on Friday, because I didn't even know there was a slight risk. Well, I knew, but I didn't get to record it, because like my mom was out of town and I was supposed to be at my dad's house anyway, so couldn't have recorded it if they did even go off, so that's poopy. And I also switched them off anyway, so like, even if they were on, I still wouldn't have been able to get the alerts, so, yeah. Hey, if we do get some remnants of a tropical storm or hurricane someday, then you can expect a huge comp from that. Like, it won't be huge, because like, I don't live in Texas or Florida, like one of the ocean states, but yeah. So, yeah. Because Hurricane Beryl was supposed to hit us, but it didn't. Which, once I saw what it did to Texas, I was like really thankful for that. Yeah. So, yep. Yeah. The unboxing of the MD319 will probably come on Sunday, maybe Monday. Depends what time it arrives today.